been doing this for so long. Take my position on the throne. Yes, the rider's home. Say it. Yes. I didn't choose. Yes. Don't get it confused, I'm working, but homie, I still murk you. Come on. We'll never lose. I came up from zero, influenced by violent heroes. My hustle in chronological order is diabolical. Raised up without a father, somebody my mama proud. No game and break, I'm in hustle mode. Playground was a drug zone, stay driven and put my cell phone. Thought about
I used to go to the park and watch the ballers play, wishing that would be me one day. I was intrigued by their love of the game. They weren't getting paid, but they loved to hear them scream their name. They were determined, motivated, focused to win. And after they played all day, they would play again. They worked hard and would hardly rest. They knew the formula for success, and a kid like me was so impressed. And from then on, I knew what I wanted to do with my life. I was hungry for the game, so I fed my appetite. Day in and day out, I practiced and got my game polished, so I could get the scholarship to college and make MVP and have all the scouts come see me.
Bust it. Bust it. Move it, boy. Just bust the move. This is a jam for all the fellas. Try to do what those ladies tell us. Get shot down cause you're overzealous. Play hard to get females, they get jealous. Okay, smarty, you go to a party. Girls are scantily clad and showing body. A chick walks by, you wish you could sex her, but you're standing on the wall like you wish Poindexter.
Sit next to you, girl, I'm feeling that. Got me hard to handle. Will come bust because you like that candle. Can I sit next to you, girl?
Rich by popular demand.
The wait is over, homie.
Yes, it is. A-Town
Know
Connect.
the city gon' feel this.
Damn right.
Say two, I know you see me. Chris,
What up, boy?
I know both our pops looking at us. I used to dream.